Ava, I'm glad. I'm glad that you are part of Team Bilib. Sobrang excited ako na kung ano pa yung ma-enhance ko sa next performance mo. Napaikot ako, sabihin ko sa consistency ng notes sa pagkanta niya. It wasn't extravagant, it wasn't like, wow! Pero nandun yung linis eh. Yung linis yung pinaka-importante. Pag nalinis, mapapolish mo lang yun, edi kikintab. And she will shine brighter. So, consistency is key. She was consistent with her feelings and the song. Hindi siya parang nag-dip down para sa energy niya and sa vibe niya. And kaya sa dulo, last second talaga, inikutan ko. Because I think she did well from start to finish. And that's important para sa isang kontesera o kontesero. You really have to finish from start to end. I think we're gonna have a lot of fun and kikilalanin ko ang mga nasa Team Bilib para isa-isang lumabas yung mga talents nila pagdating sa kanta. So, good job, babe. Can't wait to work with you.